I got a doctor and he checked my testosterone. At 57 years old, I am almost 400. Now that's just taking an ounce a day. I was 350. My doctor said, you are high for your age. You don't need anything. I started taking 2 ounces after that, went back to him in a year. My testosterone was 480 something. And he went, wow. He said, you're not taking shots. You're not got the pills. And I said, no. And I showed him the bottle. He's the only doctor that knew what all this product was. I went up on the juice to 4 ounces and then 5. I went to 500 and something on my testosterone at 62 years old. And then to prove a point to the doctor, I went up to 6 ounces just to see what it's going to do because I guinea pigged myself. I went to 743 on my testosterone. That is through the roof. I don't work out like I used to, but my muscles were popping. People thought I was working out again. My brother had prostate cancer. His testosterone was at 30. I've been begging him for 15 years to drink this. He finally did. He said, this is going to work. I said, it only works if you drink it. He drank it, had his doctor check up in a month and a half. He was at 375 on his testosterone. Oh my goodness. He said, I'm back.